PrestoSketch Halloween Edition. Hey everyone! For this Halloween episode, we're going to draw a candy corn. Let's get started by drawing a curvy triangle for the body. Then draw two lines inside the triangle, one near the top and one near the bottom. Add some arms and hands. Then add the legs and feet. Let's draw two arches for happy eyes, and add the smile while we're at it. Now take out your yellow marker and color the bottom part of the candy corn. Then for the next section, use your orange marker. Don't worry about coloring over the eyes and mouth. We'll color them back in soon. Then use your brown marker to color the legs and feet. Lastly, we'll go over the lines again with the black marker. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.